So we're where are we? We're like near the Daintree forest right now. We're in Daintree. We're on our way. The market's in where did we go this morning, Dush? Port Douglas.
Port Douglas.
The markets in Port Douglas was certainly very different, and then we like went through the town, and then when you compare Port Douglas to Mossman, it's much different. But yeah, we're gonna catch a ferry across to the forest, I believe. So that's gonna be pretty good, and hopefully it doesn't rain too much, so I can actually get some video of like the forest itself. Otherwise, you know, I'm sorry, but I tried. So all just having a nice, jolly good conversation out there now, aren't they? Well, it's a bloody scorcher today. Go in your Mac pocket.
You stable with the bag.
What is? Stinging tree.
The one down there.
The creek looks nicer, doesn't it?
So vast and beautiful. Are those the clouds up there?
That do his tongue off.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Nice.
It's so high up.
Wow.
We're certainly very high up right now. Down there, it's more towards where we started and everything. People walking over down there. Zoom in on them, I believe. If I can actually find where they are on the camera. Yeah. Coming through up here. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna come back down now, but like, this is so beautiful up here though. This random thing.
Still filming, I think.
Yeah, gotta film. Gotta get them some footage on the Daintree. Beautiful, beautiful. So deep though. I'll go here and I'll show you guys just how deep it is. See, look at that. It's not exactly what you'd expect just by looking. See? And then we come all the way back up. It's huge. Now it's time to walk back down about 10 flights of stairs at least. Hashtag making some cardio gains. Gotta lose. Hey, go on boys. Greg, Steve, Sam, Judy. Good to see you. At the movies. Going down here alone. Can't exactly turn the camera around because I have the thing, it's like lanyard sort of style thing, wrapped around my neck, and I am not taking it off to turn the camera around to vlog, just because I don't want to lose the camera in this forest. Holy that thing moves. Cool, that's a good warning. Is that a diprotodon? Looks like one. There's a diprotodon. A Priska. Have to do something on this guy in biology. I am not even gonna try and pronounce that. Bullock cornus plani. Hang on, buddy. Look a little stuck. I think I might just go back up and try and find everyone else now, because I think, well, I'm actually done with this section. It was a little freaky, you know, just these giant things. And there's a person right over there. I didn't realise how loud I was talking. Who cares? I hate sometimes when you just press record and then it like just the light flashes for like 10 seconds and then finally goes, and you're just holding the camera there like, oh, please hurry up. Oh, so many stairs too. So many people. Not that many people. More than I expect. Certainly more places to walk around here than you'd expect. So nice though. I don't think we'd find any crocodiles up here. That's a bit of a relief. I don't know what those cassowary, they could be coming out of nowhere. Yeah, no. It's down here. Nothing really. Yeah, I'm just getting hot in this poncho. Just keep going. It's cool, it's a mahogany tree, so they've actually built one. Oh, no, they've actually built the building around it. It's awesome. I think we're going back now. Maybe. Strangler fig. And it's actually strangling around that one there as well. And I just got water on the camera. Sick.
Yeah.
It's nice water. Nice little running stream. But where does it run to? I don't know. Let's go back now. Back to the car we go. delicious. Didn't take the camera down just because, well, it's a birthday dinner for myself and my sister, so no cameras. I'm sorry, but you know, you'll see in a photo before this of my dinner. If not, I'll put it over this right now, but it's definitely delicious, and it was better just not to have a camera, just to have dinner with the family. Anyway, I'm gonna close out today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you guys in tomorrow's video, and so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.